Here at Top Gun Bikes, we're introducing a new model scooter to our lineup. This is the Momas carbon fiber electric scooter. This thing weighs only 15 pounds. It is a 36 volt battery. It's got a range of up to 15 miles per charge. And of course, what makes it so light is it's made of carbon fiber. It's got a carbon fiber deck, also has a carbon fiber down tube. Now the down tube is where the battery is. Normally they place the batteries underneath the deck, but on the Momas it is inside the down tube. Pretty neat for design, and of course getting it down to 15 pounds is unbelievable weight. This thing will support up to 280 pounds of weight. It also has a kind of an emergency brake in the back. If you need to, you can step on that. But let's show you the handlebar area. Now you got two different levers here, and you have your display that's mounted inside the top part of the tube. This is your acceleration, and this is an electronic braking system. When you push that, that will be your brake. It is an electronic brake, but stops very well. You have your power button here, and then as you push it, you have three different speed modes. First mode is about 5 miles an hour, second mode's about 10, and then the last mode's full speed. You get up to 16 miles an hour. It is a front-wheel drive pull. Also has a little hook here if you want to carry groceries, a little grocery bag. But here's your charging port here. It also has an integrated light inside, so you just hold the button down and you definitely got it's a very pretty bright light. And another thing about the scooters is is the tires. They're non-air. They're actually a rubber compound tire that's on a polymer rim, both front and rear. So you don't have to worry about flats. We have ridden scooters in the past where they have an air tire, and I have gotten a number of flats, and it really changes the game on when you need to use this to take it. Really dry to get a flat. So to fold this, it's very easy. It has this little clutch mechanism right here. You just push it with your foot, and as you just push it down, it basically just locks and folds right over. There's also a latch at the bottom that will unlatch it. You have this little kickstand right here. Hold it up. So, Momas carbon fiber electric scooter, top speed 16 miles an hour, up to 15 mile range, 36 volt battery system, very lightweight, only 15 pounds. If you're interested in this scooter, you can order it through our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.